Let me ask you something. What if I told you that right now, with just $100 in your pocket, you could start building a second income? Not a get-rich-quick scheme. Not some shady MLM. I'm talking about real, legitimate income streams that people all over the country are using to make an extra $500, $1,000, even $3,000 a month on the side. Sounds too good to be true, right? Here's the thing, it's not. Because passive income isn't magic. It's a system. And today, I'm going to break down 7 of the most beginner-friendly passive income streams you can start with $100 or less. And I'll tell you up front, some of these will make you money in 30 days. Others might take 6 months to build. But every single one of them is worth your attention. So grab a notebook. Let's get into it. What is passive income, really? Before we dive into the 7 streams, I want to clear up a massive misconception about passive income. Most people think passive income means doing nothing and watching money roll in. And while that's partially true for some strategies, it's not the full picture. Every passive income stream requires 2 things up front: time or money. You either spend time creating an asset, like writing a blog or recording a course, or you invest money into something that generates returns. The goal is to front-load the work or the investment once, and then collect the rewards repeatedly over time with minimal ongoing effort. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have much time and I barely have any money. That's exactly why I picked these 7 streams specifically. Each one can be started with $100 or less. Some even with $0 if you're willing to put in the hustle. Ready? Let's go. Stream number 1. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds. What is it? This is the most boring entry on this list, and I'm putting it first on purpose. Because most people completely overlook it. A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, is a savings account that pays significantly more interest than a traditional bank account. While your regular Chase or Bank of America savings account pays about 0.01% interest, basically nothing, high-yield savings accounts at online banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, Ally, or SoFi are currently paying between 4% and 5% annual percentage yield. That means if you park just $1,000 in one of these accounts, which costs you nothing extra, you're earning $40 to $50 per year just for having your money sit there. How do I start with $100? Most high-yield savings accounts have 0 minimum balance requirements. You open the account online in about 10 minutes, transfer $100, and done. Your money starts earning interest immediately. For slightly higher returns, you can also look into money market funds through platforms like Fidelity or Vanguard. Their money market funds currently yield around 5% annually. You can start with as little as $1. Realistic expectations. Look, $100 in a high-yield account isn't going to make you rich. The power here is in building the habit and scaling up. As your balance grows, whether through consistent deposits or moving your emergency fund here, the interest compounds and grows with it. Think of this as your financial foundation. The boring, safe, always-on stream that never sleeps. Pro tip: set up automatic transfers. Even $25 a week adds up to $1,300 a year, and that's earning interest the whole time. Dividend investing via fractional shares? What is it? Dividend investing is one of the oldest and most proven wealth-building strategies in the world. Here's how it works. You buy shares of a company. That company pays you a portion of its profits regularly, usually quarterly. This payment is called a dividend. Companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Realty Income, and Procter & Gamble have been paying, and growing, their dividends for decades. These are called dividend aristocrats. They're reliable, stable, and they share their profits with shareholders like clockwork. How do I start with $100? Here's where it gets exciting for beginners. Thanks to fractional shares, which let you buy a piece of a stock rather than a full share, you no longer need hundreds or thousands of dollars to invest in quality dividend stocks. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Public all allow fractional share investing. You can buy $10 worth of Coca-Cola, $20 worth of Realty Income, and spread your $100 across 5 or 6 strong dividend payers immediately. The power of reinvesting. Here's the key to making dividend investing work long-term. Reinvest every dollar you receive. This is called DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Instead of cashing out your dividends, You use them to buy more shares, which then produce more dividends, which buy more shares. It's a compounding loop. Start with $100 today. Add $50 or $100 a month consistently. In 10 years, you could be looking at a dividend portfolio generating hundreds of dollars per month in completely passive income. This stream is a long game, but the earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Print on demand, selling custom products online? What is it? Print on demand is a business model where you create designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, posters, and list them for sale online. When a customer buys one, a third-party company prints and ships it directly to them. You never touch the inventory. You never pay for products up front. You just collect the profit margin. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble handle everything on the fulfillment side. You simply create the design, set your price, and market your shop. How do I start with $100? The startup costs here are extremely low. Here's what your $100 budget might look like. $0. Sign up for Redbubble or merch by Amazon, completely free. These platforms have built-in audiences. $15 per month. Canva Pro subscription for professional design tools. Or use the free version to start. $0 to $30. Optional. Hire a designer on Fiverr for a few initial designs if you're not confident in your own design skills. The rest, keep it. You don't need much more than creativity and consistency. What sells? Funny niche t-shirts. Motivational quotes. Profession-specific humor. Nurses, teachers, engineers. Hobby-based designs. Hiking, fishing, gaming. Holiday and seasonal designs are huge. The key is niching down. Don't try to design for everyone. Find a specific community, create designs they'd love, and speak their language. Income potential. This stream can be slow to start. Your first few months might earn you $20 to $50. But as you build up a catalog of 50 to 100 designs, your monthly income grows. Many print-on-demand sellers earn $500 to $3,000 per month passively once they've built a solid portfolio. And since the products live online indefinitely, every design you create keeps working for you 24/7. Selling digital products, ebooks, templates, guides. What is it? Digital products are files that customers download instantly after purchase. No shipping, no inventory, no manufacturing cost. Create the product once. Sell it an unlimited number of times. Every sale after your first is almost 100% profit. Think ebooks, Notion templates, Excel budget spreadsheets, Canva social media templates, resume templates, meal planning guides, workout plans, Lightroom presets for photographers. The possibilities are endless. How do I start with $100? Here's your $100 breakdown for this stream. $0. Use Google Docs, Canva, free, or Notion to create your product. No fancy software required. $0. List on Gumroad or Etsy. Gumroad is free to start. They take a small percentage of each sale. Etsy has a small listing fee of 20 cents per item. $50 to $100. Optional. Run a small Pinterest or Instagram ad campaign to drive initial traffic to your listing. What should you create? The best digital products solve a specific problem for a specific person. Ask yourself, what do I know that other people struggle with? Are you good at budgeting? Create a budgeting spreadsheet. Are you a fitness person? Create a 30-day workout plan PDF. Are you great at social media? Create a set of Instagram caption templates. You don't need to be a world-class expert. You just need to know more than your target customer and package that knowledge in a clear, useful format. Income potential. Digital products have incredible margins. A $15 ebook sold 100 times a month is $1,500 in revenue with almost zero overhead. Once the product is created and listed, your job becomes marketing, which can itself be automated through email lists, Pinterest pins, or SEO-optimized Etsy listings. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions by recommending products? What is it? Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting someone else's product or service and earning a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link. You've seen this everywhere, even if you didn't realize it. Every YouTube video that says, "Check the description for links to everything I used," that's affiliate marketing. Every blog post that says, "My top 5 tools for freelancers," links below, affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates is the most beginner-friendly program. You can earn 1% to 10% commissions on virtually anything sold on Amazon. Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and individual brand programs often pay even higher rates, sometimes 20%, 30%, even 50% for digital products. How do I start with $100? The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can technically be started for free, using social media, free blog platforms, or YouTube. But your $100 is best spent here. $10 to $15 per month, web hosting with a basic WordPress blog, Bluehost, or SiteGround. Having your own website gives you credibility and an SEO-driven traffic engine that works while you sleep. $0. Sign up for affiliate programs in your niche. Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and most brand affiliate programs are completely free to join. $50. Optional. Invest in a beginner-friendly keyword research tool like Ubersuggest for 1 month to find low-competition topics to write about. What niche should you choose? Pick something you're genuinely interested in. Finance, fitness, cooking, travel, tech, parenting, pet care. The best affiliate marketers write or talk about things they actually use and love, and their authenticity comes through. Start by creating helpful content, how-to articles, product comparisons, beginner guides, that attracts people searching for information in your niche. Naturally weave in affiliate links to relevant products. Income potential. Affiliate marketing takes time to build. Your first 3 months might generate almost nothing. But by month 6 to 12, if you've been consistent, you can start seeing $200 to $1,000 per month. Top affiliate marketers earn 6 and 7 figures annually, all from recommending products they love. The key is patience and consistency. Build the content machine. Let SEO do its work. And watch the commissions compound over time. Peer-to-peer lending and micro-investing platforms? What is it? Peer-to-peer lending is a way to act like a bank, lending your money to individuals or small businesses and collecting interest on the loan. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club facilitate this process, pooling your money with other investors to fund loans. As the borrower repays their loan, you receive a share of those payments, including interest. Returns on P2P lending can range from 5% to 12% annually, depending on the risk level of the loans you fund. How do I start with $100? Most P2P platforms allow you to start with as little as $25 per loan note. With $100, you can spread your investment across 4 different loans, reducing your risk if one borrower defaults. Prosper and Lending Club are the 2 most established platforms in the U.S. Sign up, complete your investor profile, choose your risk tolerance, and start funding loans in minutes. What's the risk? Be honest about the risks here. Unlike a savings account, P2P lending is not FDIC insured. Borrowers can default. If you choose higher-risk loans chasing higher returns, you may lose some principal. The strategy: spread your $100 across at least 4 to 10 loans. Stick to A and B-rated loans on these platforms. They're lower interest but much safer. And only invest money you can afford to leave tied up for 2 to 5 years. Income potential. With $100, you might earn $6 to $10 in your first year. It's small, but this stream scales well. As you reinvest your returns and add more capital, the monthly income grows. Think of it as a higher yield alternative to a savings account, with more risk and more reward. Creating and selling an online course or workshop. What is it? Online education is a multi-billion-dollar industry that's still growing. And you don't need to be a professor or a celebrity to participate. Every day, regular people are creating courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, and Gumroad, and earning passive income from students who enroll months or years after the course was created. Your course can be on anything: how to cook Italian food from scratch, how to build a budget, how to edit photos, how to start a side hustle, how to train your dog, how to speak conversational Spanish. If it teaches a skill people want to learn, someone will pay for it. How do I start with $100? Here's the good news: the barriers to entry are lower than ever. Your smartphone has a camera. Free tools like OBS Studio let you record your screen. Canva lets you design professional slides. Your $100 budget breakdown. $0. Record on your smartphone or computer webcam. Lighting matters more than camera quality. A ring light or sitting near a window goes a long way. $25. A simple USB microphone from Amazon dramatically improves your audio quality. Good audio is non-negotiable. $0. List on Udemy for free. Udemy handles hosting, payment processing, and even marketing. The trade-off is they take a percentage of sales, but for a beginner, their built-in audience of 50+ million students is worth it. $75. Optional. A basic ring light for better video quality. What makes a great course? A great course has three things: a clear transformation promise, logical step-by-step structure, and real, actionable content. Don't try to cover everything. Teach one specific thing well. For example, instead of Personal Finance 101, create How to Pay Off $10,000 in Credit Card Debt in 12 months. Specific. Actionable. Clear outcome. Income potential. Udemy courses can generate anywhere from $50 to $5,000 plus per month depending on your niche, quality, and the number of courses you have. Many course creators earn their initial sales, then continue to earn passively for years as new students enroll. And unlike a 9-to-5 job, you create the course once. A student in Japan can enroll at 3 a.m. while you're sleeping. That's the magic of digital passive income. The passive income mindset. Okay, let's bring it all together. You've just learned 7 passive income streams you can start with $100 or less. Number 1. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds. The boring but essential foundation. Number 2. Dividend investing through fractional shares. The long-game wealth builder. Number 3. Print on demand. Turn your creativity into a 24/7 online store. Number 4. Digital products. Create once, sell forever. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by recommending what you already love. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Act like the bank and collect the interest. Number 7. Online courses and workshops. Get paid for what you know. Now here's the most important thing I can tell you. Don't try to start all 7 at once. Pick one. Just one. The one that excites you most, or the one that fits your current skills best. Master it. Build it. Then, and only then, add a second stream. The biggest mistake people make with passive income is spreading themselves too thin, getting overwhelmed, and quitting before they ever see results. Building passive income is not an overnight thing. It's a slow, steady process of building assets that work for you while you sleep. Every person you admire who has financial freedom got there by stacking income streams over months and years, not overnight. You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need a finance degree. You need $100, a plan, and the discipline to show up consistently. Start today. Start small. But start. Call to action. If this video gave you value, do me a favor, hit that like button. It tells YouTube this content is worth sharing, and it helps me get this information to more people who need it. And if you're new here, welcome to Wealthwise Owl. Every week, I drop videos on personal finance, investing, and building wealth, without the jargon, without the fluff. Just clear, actionable strategies you can actually use. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. And drop a comment below. Which of these 7 passive income streams are you going to try first? I read every single comment, and I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and keep building.